Hi, Jonathan Rahman here, percussion faculty member at Cazadero Music Camp. Super excited to have this 8-video course with you. We're going to talk about some basic theory of music, some technique, musicianship, creativity, all the fun in the world, just in 8 videos. Stay tuned. Please, really do, stay tuned. And I want you to have fun. That's all I ask, okay? So let's go out there, let's drum. Let's do it. Let's go! Let's go! Let's talk about equipments. So you're going to use drumsticks, obviously, but a drum pad, you can use a drum set if you want to, or just a snare alone. You can use a pillow. You can use silencers. You can get it from a store. You can put it on your drum set if you wanted to. You can use towels to cover your drums if you want to keep it quiet. Don't use your siblings' heads, and don't use pets. Pets are not drum pads, but they're adorable. Posture. Back on your heels, feet apart, shoulder length, hips nice and squared up, shoulders squared, roll up, relax your shoulders back, everything nice and loose. If you have a drum pad, hands on your hips, you want to kind of line it up there, or another way of doing it is putting your sticks down, and wherever your hands go up to, nice and relaxed position, very comfortable position, that's kind of where you want to be. Okay, holding the stick. Cool way of doing it with the Vic Firth, putting your thumb on the flag and your first finger, first line, piercing through, and then these 3 fingers in the back. Where you want to hold it? Well, there's a balance point. If you try to find the balance point, you can balance on your finger. Another cool way is bouncing it, just 2 fingers, and see if it bounces. Change grip. Yeah, we're nice and comfortable. That's where I kind of like it, and somewhere around my flag. That's where I grip there. This is the fulcrum. Taking the idea of just having a pivot point, that's the fulcrum. The other left hand matches it. It's called mass grip for a reason. Okay. The traditional grip, if you're interested in that, take your left hand, is usually in the left hand, put it between the fat part of your thumb and the first finger, curl over, thumb lines up here. The other 3 fingers, the bottom 2, support each other, and the middle finger just lays on top. And what you're doing is just turning the wrist. What you don't want to do is this. You want to keep it nice and firm out, as if you're filling up with water and then dumping it out. Traditional. Different types of grips. We have the German grip, which is palm flat down, as if you're dribbling a basketball. Then we have the French grip, where the nail, your thumbnail, is pointing upward, and the pinky can be a little bit out, but it has this more finesse. Let's talk about a little bit of rebound. So rebound, I like to have this up position. I want to come back to this point. So what I'm going to do is let my wrist fall down, put a little pressure back here, a little force. I'm going to come back. So let's do a little warm-up that's going to help you focus on your fulcrum, your hold, posture, and the rebound. It's called 8s and 8s. I'm going to use a metronome. You can have one on your phone or a little device at home, or you can get it online for free. But I recommend it slow and steady. Focus on those material. Let's do it. Beginners, very simple exercise called 8s and 8s. I'm going to do 8 times on one hand, 8 on the other, until I complete about 8 of them. This is what it sounds like with a metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 2, 4, 5, 6, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stop. Okay, intermediates. We're going to do an exercise that's called 8/7s. So what we're going to do, we're going to go 8, 8, and then 7, 7, 8, 8, 7, 7, release. Okay, so you gotta really think. This is why it's intermediate. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So advanced players, this is a fun one. It's a pyramid style. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go 8, 8, 7, 7, and then go 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, and then reverse it all back. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8. And then release. Have fun. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these 8s, it's tricky, but it's a lot of fun. Do these exercises with different tempos, relax them, speed it up, however you feel good about it. If you start to falter, don't crash. Go backwards, slow it down until you feel good again. Take your time. Each of these exercises is important to do. Get you warmed up.